Is it time to buy or sell Supermicrocomputer stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Supermicrocomputer. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 15th of April, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 31st of March, 2025, our system has identified Supermicrocomputer as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.59. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has faced a decline of -2.22%. This amounts to an average drop of -0.18% per day since its designation as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned at the lower end of a very broad and horizontal trend in the short term. Typically, this may present a favorable buying opportunity. However, if the price breaks below the lower trend line at $27.65, it will signal a strong sell and indicate a potential shift in the trend. Analyzing the current 3-month trend, we anticipate a potential change of approximately 1.63% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -16.06% to +84.80%. In terms of the longer-term outlook, our 12-month analysis suggests a projected change of -54.79%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance might vary from -100% to -31.58% over the next year. In practical terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $0 and $22.91. Our latest daily update for Supermicrocomputer includes the headline, "Green Day on Tuesday for Supermicrocomputer." The Supermicrocomputer stock price gained 1.09% on the last trading day, Tuesday, the 15th of April, 2025, rising from $33.12 to $33.48. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 4.6%, with a day low at $33.07 and a day high of $34.59. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 4.48% during this period. Volume decreased on the last day by 6 million shares, with a total of 27 million shares bought and sold for approximately $893,890,000. It is important to note that falling volume on higher prices can signal divergence and may indicate potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $102.03, while the lowest price was $17.25. Currently, the price is 67.19%, or $68.55, below the 52-week high, and 72.76%, or $89.42, below the all-time high on the 8th of March, 2024, when the price reached $122.90. Today, Supermicrocomputer, traded under the ticker SMCI, is in focus due to several key developments. In pre-market trading, SMCI, along with other major stocks, is experiencing a quiet phase. Investors are closely watching for impending tariff news, which can impact market sentiment. The broader context reveals that semiconductor stocks, including SMCI, have seen a bounce back after recent tariff exemptions announced by the Trump administration. This could lead to a favorable environment for SMCI, particularly as it aligns its operations to leverage localized manufacturing advantages amid ongoing U.S.-China trade tensions. Notably, Supermicro has formed a strategic collaboration with Steel Dome to enhance artificial intelligence-driven, hyper-converged infrastructure solutions. This partnership is expected to improve their offerings for enterprises and edge data centers, creating potential for immediate productivity gains. Such innovations can drive revenue growth and strengthen SMCI's competitive edge in the rapidly expanding artificial intelligence market. Given that the stock is currently valued below its historical median, there is a sense of opportunity for investors, especially as the market seeks to stabilize amid uncertainty. In the short term, favorable tariff updates and strategic collaborations could boost investor confidence and lead to stock price appreciation. In the long term, as artificial intelligence adoption increases, SMCI's advancements in technology and focus on integrated solutions could significantly enhance its market standing, resulting in sustained growth and potentially higher stock valuations. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 10th of March 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned SMCI a neutral grade with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, the 18th of February 2025, it was reported that Wedbush also rated SMCI with a hold grade and a hold recommendation. On the same day, Tuesday, the 18th of February 2025, Loop Capital Markets rated SMCI with a buy grade while recommending a hold. Action. On Wednesday, the 12th of February 2025, it was reported that Wedbush rated SMCI with a neutral grade and a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 6th of November, 2024, Needham rated SMCI with a mixed grade and a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned Supermicro Computer stock a general buy rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as neutral, while the price-to-book ratio is rated as sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have awarded the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Supermicro Computer. Volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices increased. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Additionally, some negative signals have emerged, which may impact its short-term performance. Supermicro Computer stock currently shows sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, contributing to a more pessimistic outlook. A general sell signal is also present, indicated by the relationship between the two averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance may arise at the levels of $33.55 and $37.64. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, the 19th of February, 2025, and thus far, the stock has declined by 44.43%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, a sell signal is currently active from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal, pivots, sell signal from 40 days ago, short-term moving average, sell signal from 2 days ago, long-term moving average, buy signal from 19 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 28 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 17 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal from 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 3 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Supermicro Computer. Supermicro Computer finds support from accumulated volume at $33, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.52 between its high and low, which represents a change of 4.6%. For the past week, the stock has displayed an average daily volatility of 8.93%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Supermicro Computer, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate that the market holds low expectations for the company's future or that the stock is undervalued, suggesting a possible buying opportunity. In other news, the forthcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 29th of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 52 cents. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Supermicrocomputer. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Supermicrocomputer is at $39.14. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, Supermicrocomputer faces its first support level at $33. If this support level holds, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Supermicrocomputer from multiple analyst sources is buy. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 31st of March, 2025, Angel Scott conducted an insider buy of 0 shares. On the 28th of February, 2025, Blair Robert L. conducted an insider buy of 13,600 shares of common stock. On the same day, Blair Robert L. conducted an insider sell of 13,600 shares of stock option, which is the right to buy. Also, on the 28th of February, 2025, Blair Robert L. sold 13,600 shares of common stock. Additionally, on that day, Blair Robert L. sold 5,860 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated that insider power is positive, with a ratio of 20.007. Overall, insiders purchased 4,019,557 shares and sold 2,900,162 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is Supermicrocomputer stock a good buy? Supermicrocomputer exhibits several negative indicators and is currently within a broad and declining trend, suggesting it is likely to continue underperforming in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, we maintain a negative assessment of this stock. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 16th of April, we anticipate that Supermicrocomputer will open higher by approximately 233/10,000ths of a dollar, beginning trading at $33.71. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you agree and take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.